Hi guys, welcome to Sassy Spiritual Junkie. So today's reading is about how is your person feeling about you. If you have something you couldn't, able to couldn't express to them, or you think they are not able to express, let's see what is their energy and what is your energy. So your energy versus their energy. Okay, so first we will start from your energy. So it's a collective reading, may or may not resonate. Take what resonates, don't try to fit in. Okay, so what is your energy? Okay, this star, you have done amazing job for your healing. You have taken the accountability of your healing, and this was triggered because of this relationship. You got to see your shadows and you started working on your self-worth issues and emotional codependency issues, and you are being really guided by your spirit guides, by divine forces, and it's been aligning so beautifully for you that it is showing in your other areas of your life, like your career, studies, and your self-growth basically. Okay, you are now more action oriented than being in the mind only. Oh wow, so yes, your intuitive power is increased. You are increasing your spiritual practices. You are inclined towards spirituality. You are following certain rituals or sadhanas, or doing something for your mental health, spiritual health. Okay, and you have learned the art of patience. This energy is really beautiful. Wow. Okay, now what is stuck here with this person is that with this person you feel that this is a soul bond, and whatever happens, see, this reading can apply for even if you're contact, no contact, in separation, no living together, but there is something which is slowed down in your relationship in some way, and you have been seeking that comfort and love and bond again, but there is some issue in between, and you feel this is a bond which is like completely like a home for me, and how to stay away from home. Everybody wants to live in their home, so this is the feeling with this person. Okay, but right now the energy is very scattered in terms of relationship stability, or you can say some trust or some overthinking is happening with regards of the relationship. Okay, so there is some distance I feel between you guys, definitely. Either you are in long distance relationship, or even if you live, there is some distance, or all together you guys are in separation. You guys are not in relationship anymore, but you are growing. Okay, lots of cards. What is the energy of, first I'm seeing yours, so let me dig more. Okay, yes, so you are in the action mode, as I said, and it's coming here, but you are missing the company. I think the most of you who are watching is female here, or this is your, if you are watching a male, this is the energy of your woman, but like whatever is the situation. Okay, it's like the growth is coming, the communication is coming, some kind of closure is coming, which will help you to feel better than in present situation about this relationship. Either you will close this relationship forever, and you are proceeding, moving ahead, moving on nicely, not like stuck in the past, and you are taking that accountability that it's okay, we were not meant to be together and I need to work on my life. You will be coming in this mindset. See, one thing is moving on with that regret and with hurt feeling and just stuck in the past, but one thing is that you are moving with the grace. Okay, accepting the situation. So for this pile I see, for this viewers, I see that your energy is going really beautiful, and in coming time, in 8 weeks or in 8 months, you will see that you are completely different, in different zone. August can be important month for you, where you will see that growth is there within you, and if you guys are together, the separation will end and the relationship will be healing. You will take more action towards like how to work on this relationship together. Okay, so you will be the main force here, where maybe you will teach them in a subtle ways that let's work on this. You will be communicating. Okay, and you will trigger something in your partner where the transformation phase is happening already, but it will lead to some beautiful phase where you are coming in the union. And for people who are closing off the cycle with old people, you will be ready to give a space for new person. So basically you are in June, in coming 1 month, whenever you're watching this, you are letting go of the toxic energy and you are welcoming positive energy, even if it's within the relationship or without them. So for example, you are with the person and you will still be with that person, but you guys will work together to end that toxic cycles between you guys. And for some of you, you will completely let go of that person and you will move gracefully. And yes, the transformation phase is going on in terms of only and only majorly in relationship aspect. Okay, yes, it's being asked to actually take a pause. Don't be in rush. Answers will come to you effortlessly, like when to talk, how to solve it, what to do. It is coming to you effortlessly, like universe will guide you. All you have to be aligned with whatever you are doing, whatever spiritual practices or whatever, any ritual or any work like meditation, workout, daily routines you are following. You're disciplined for your own things, you're focused on your own journey, your studies, your work. Keep doing that, and it is bringing you the light to this problem, to this darkness which you are feeling for this relationship. So it is bringing the light, and it is bringing the clarity. And yeah, this is like, yeah, and somehow you are attracting other opportunities in your life where it will bring more stability to you. Like maybe you will find some purpose, or you will find something which will help you to come out of stuck zone. Maybe you are an idea of something but it doesn't exist, you are an illusion. That illusion will break for you about this person or about this situation. Maybe everything is okay, you are overthinking, and your partner will make you realize, and you will have a communication then, and you will realize, and you will then say that your own fears. You will talk about your own, like you will be expressing that why you are feeling, what is going on, and your partner will listen to you. But let's check their energy, your partner's energy now. So what is their energy? I am in a non-AC room and I am sweating like anything. But I felt like to, okay, you guys are really, like, for people who are in this, even if it's broken for you, it's okay. It is like a karmic relationship where you are here to grow with each other or without each other. But this person and you, for both of you guys came together to help understand your shadows and work on it and grow in life. So it's definitely a past life connection. And for many of you here, I feel, yes, you are going to celebrate this relationship and deepen the bond. Even your person also wants that and feels that. For some of you, whoever is in separation, your partner feels this, that they had best time with you, but somehow they are good with the memory part. They are not able to take the action now for you, whatever is the reason. So you will understand this, okay? And somehow they are also happy with this, or you can say normalize this, that it's okay to keep you in the memory part. Okay, there are so many cards I can't take. Okay, so the energy is coming similar again. It's more about the union happening either with the new person or in coming time, and it is very quick, like in 3-4 months or 3-4 weeks only. But for many of you here, your situation is more about where your relationship is deepening, and it's a long-term committed relationship which is helping you to grow together. And in any way, like see don't see separation as a bad thing. Separation with some person open cycle to heal and be with a person who is more available for you, who is more good, who is better for you, in fact. So be thankful even for the separation happened. That's what it's trying to say. Again, here is the card, it's saying that effortlessly it will start happening. So your partner is also things like, yeah, things we like, yeah, the bonding is there. But let's see what is their thoughts. What are their thoughts? I mean, energy is quite similar with both of you. So the push and pull is there for the same reason. Okay, so they really admire you. They know you, how you help them to grow, how you support them, and how much you care for them. They are aware of this. Okay, but right now what is the problem happening with your partner is that emotionally they're not being able to be vulnerable. They have their own personal journey going on to understand them spiritually, to heal themselves, and they're not able to figure it out, and they want to understand it on their own. They don't want to feel dependent on you, okay, or dependent on anyone. So they are just being in that zone that let me figure out. Okay, so that's why you are feeling cold behavior or odd. Suddenly what happened to this, why they are behaving like this, why they are so sad, or why they are so distant with me, or why they are not like the way they were acting before with me, like the way they were appreciating and celebrating things. Give them time. So this whole situation is asking you to give time to them. Okay, give space. Yes, they are confused, they are overwhelmed. Okay, lots of things, because see, this person is blindfolded, not aware what is going on, and confused. That's why there is two swords, and there is water energy. Water is like, too much in emotions, the depth, they are feeling the depth, not able to figure out. But this is also the sign. See, we have the crescent moon. So right now they are in the crescent moon phase, but I feel that as days will pass, probably 2-3 months, as I said, for you, not more than 6 months or 6 weeks, they will see the clarity, that the clarity will be there in their mind. Okay, so communication part, let's see. Okay, they are too much, taking maybe pressure, responsibility, or working on so many things that they sometimes forget to take care of themselves, like when to eat, what to eat, what to wear, how to be groomed. They are engaged in so many things, working out in so many things. Maybe they have certain responsibility also. Okay, yes, their time is hard, they're really stuck. They might be going through some health issues also. Maybe some for some of you, your partner's mother health is not well, and they are occupied in that, they are stuck in that. But anyway, again, we have got the card of growth here also. So they are also looking forward for the growth of this relationship, and they are not like letting you go. They are not in this energy to let you go. Okay, they want to be with you. It's just the phase here, it is saying, and things are going to improve. 8 weeks, 8 days, or in August, or maximum to maximum 8 months from now. I'm seeing in both the energies. Okay, yes, you guys are going to discuss about your problems and everything. You're going to work on all, but this person, your partner, is holding back. Like, they will not express much the way you will express. They will be like, okay, yeah, we will manage. So you have to actually make them comfortable to open up. They're not being able to open up. They will be acting like defensive, that no, I did not do anything, you think so, like this kind of answer. But emotionally they are disappointed. There are a lot of internal anger of many things, not only you or something, or maybe it's also because they are not able to serve good in this relationship. They are not able to provide the way they thought they could have done better. Also, they have certain responsibilities and issue which has caused them frustration, and they can't see that things are fine, it's okay. They are not being able to let it go nicely. Okay, oh my god, every time I'm picking in their energy and they are emotionally disappointed, they can't see better things coming up for them. But for both of you, this is a common message here again, that give it some time. They're also taking time. Give them that time and don't rush into things. Things will pass for sure. The baggages they are holding, they will let it go. They will work on it. Let them work on it. You just be a patient listener, or wait for them. Or if you, even if you're communicating with them, you're in communication, you know, just be gentle, okay? Don't overreact. They're going through lot of things. For some of you, your person is already married and they are going ahead with their partner and with their family thing, and yes, leaving you is triggering them, but somehow, as I said in the beginning, they're okay to keep you in the memory. This causes frustration that they're not able to get your energy now, but somehow, and they're disappointed with that. But I also see but like, I mean, there is third party situation. Maybe your partner is with someone or in another relationship now, or it's like with another woman in a marriage, or even if they are not in relationship, this energy is that you guys have separated for something and now they're okay with, because they have self-worth issues, okay? They are not able to take stand, so they are fighting their own battle now. You can't do anything in that. Yes, they are juggling, and they are also diverting themselves with keeping busy in your work, okay, responsibilities, and creating new path for themselves to heal, to evolve. They have faced some loss financially also in your career. That's also impacting them a lot. Maybe they lost money in some way, or some job, they have left job, or they are fired, or some economical issues, some financial issues are there. But I feel they will be getting back on track soon, not very far, financially I mean, okay? Maybe this is also one of the reason, very strong reason, of course, here it's coming, the finances is the reason of distress in the relationship part. But anyway, this cycle is going to break through, like your cycle of challenges will end. We have Ace of Swords and we have the World card. People who are far will come together. They will plan to come together. They will work on this relationship. The right communication will happen effortlessly. You're going to work on it. The growth period is coming, okay? The right communication is coming. So these all things are happening. They want to. They are looking forward to it. Just give them some time and be with them like a friend. That's what I can suggest you. And at the same time, as it came in your energy, keep working on yourself. You're going to get a lot of opportunities financially or work wise, or for some kind of stability within you. So this is beautiful energy. At the bottom of that, we are here getting Empress. Empress is the card of growth, fertile period. Or so, oh my god, this is also the card here saying if you guys were having distance or some kind of sadness because of the baby factor, that you want to conceive, and or your partner is trying to conceive, and you are facing difficulty, I'm seeing that no, you're going to get pregnant, and this is going to bring the happiness together again. Maybe your guys are fed up because of this. So yes, this is the message. And okay, yeah, soon the good things are happening. All you have to take care what I said, okay? So if it resonated, please like, subscribe, support my channel. And for personal reading, you can connect on email ID or Instagram. Link is in the description. Check it out. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.